Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some big tech updates that I've been following closely, and I want to get your thoughts as well. Let's start with iOS 26.0.1. Apple just dropped this update, and it's an important update. Not only that it fixed annoying bugs like the disappearing icons, but it fixes camera issues and artifacts that showed up in the iPhone 17. But it also addresses a critical accessibility issue. A lot of people were reporting in the blind community that voiceover would stop speaking and randomly just wouldn't turn on, or voiceover kept crashing and turning on the screen curtain on and off, something that happened a little with me. But updating that main issue did not happen with me. But, you know, just on a personal note, just voiceover crashing here and there, that was happening with me. But people were reporting in different groups and my comments about that bug and how this hindered their ability to actually maneuver their phone, So I hope this has fixed that issue for them. So I know it was a real issue, and this update finally fixes that, and that's huge. And and if you haven't updated yet, I recommend you do it. And a question for y'all: have y'all noticed any performance or battery life being better in this update? Drop a comment. Let me know if you have noticed. I have noticed, but I've been testing it since the beta version of this release. So, I've been up and down with the battery issue, but drop a comment. Let me know if you notice any better performance or battery. Well, next up, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro teardown. Yes, guys, people bought this phone just to tear it down and see what's in the internals. And man, this thing is wild. The teardown shows down a unibody aluminum chassis, the thickest iPhone Pro yet. And for the first time, Apple included a vapor chamber for cooling. But here's the kicker: people are calling this scratch gate because the anodized aluminum around the sharp edges of the camera bump scratches super easily. Even coins, keys, and other objects can leave marks on your phone. Apple says it's just material transfer, but come on, people are already seeing scratches on display in Apple stores. And what do you think, guys? Is this a design flaw or just being overblown? Now, let's move on to iPhone 17 Air, guys. And this is a device everybody's talking about. It's the slimmest iPhone ever at 5.6 centimeters thick, guys. That's thin. Rocking the A19 Pro chip, and also Apple's pushing their new thin magnetic battery pack that snaps on and gives you up to 40 extra hours of media play, guys. Whoa. The Air itself is super light and sleek, but the question is, does Apple really believe that we will rely on carrying an extra battery pack just to power this phone and just to get through the day? Personally, I don't think it keeps up with heavy use, especially like people like me that are on the go. But no lie, it does look dope for casual users. Let me know in the comments if you will sacrifice battery for a slimmer profile. And we also can't forget about the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3s. Yes, guys, Meta's at it again. These are the glasses with the actual display built in, real-time translations and captions for conversations. Meta even showed off their Neuroband wristband that lets you control the glasses with hand gestures. Now compare that with the new Oakley Meta Vanguard, which are aimed more at the sports crowd, and its rugged built 12 megapixel camera and a 3K video recording resolution. That's dope. And 9 hours of battery, man, that even a plus right there. And then if you're sports and you like to work out, hey, this is, let me know. This is sounds like a good pair of glasses right there. And Oakley is targeting a different type of lifestyle than the Ray Bans are, but it shows how fast wearable tech is moving. And question, guys, would you rather rock Ray Ban with AI smarts or Oakley built for outdoor adventures? Drop a comment. Let me know your view. Now, let's shift our gears to AI, guys. OpenAI just rolled out Codex, and they just rolled it out for developers, and this thing can work within VS Code, terminal, and even mobile, up to 7 hours straight on complex tasks, guys. This is a new coding model for chat. We have different AI companies with their coding models, but this is AI just OpenAI just brought out this Codex model, and I've been seeing good reviews on it. And it's basically becoming your coding buddy on the consumer side, you know? And also, Perplexity just updated their app, guys, with a voice assistant that can handle emails, reminders, and even make reservation. And also, another big news out there in the AI world, Google is making news with their integration of Gemini into Google Chrome. That means you'll be able to highlight text, get instant summaries, and even brainstorm emails or even analyze YouTube videos right in your browser. No extra tabs, no copy and paste. That's powerful right there. So here's my big question to you guys. Are we hitting the point where AI is becoming too integrated into our devices? Or is this exactly what we've been waiting for? A world where tech finally works alongside us without us doing all the heavy lifting. All right, y'all, that's today's latest deep dive, and I want to hear from you in the comments. What is the feature that you are most excited for? The Scratch Gate drama? The slim iPhone Air with the slim battery pack? Or the idea of AI being everywhere, from Siri to Chrome to Perplexity and Open AI. Thanks for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. This has been Pedro in my channel, guys, Unseen Adventures, VoiceOver Pro, and follow me on Facebook where I have everything centralized, guys. So once again, like and subscribe. And I'm just bringing you tech stories and news and my view and my perspective. Drop a comment, and I will catch you on the next one.